Bharat BuildCon is a very big forum where people from so many different countries are coming, and the best from India will also be showcasing their building materials. Bharat BuildCon stands for people in the construction industry, the building material industry. I'm Dr. Ananta Singh Raghuvanshi. I'm the chairperson and founder for NAREDCO MAHI. NAREDCO MAHI is the women's wing for NAREDCO, which works under the aegis of the Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs. NAREDCO MAHI wants to be that voice for that woman for whom nobody is speaking. As the chairperson and founder for NAREDCO MAHI, I can say that we proudly support Bharat BuildCon. Bharat BuildCon is a very big forum where people from so many different countries are coming, and the best from India will also be showcasing their building materials. For NAREDCO MAHI, it becomes a huge platform to be present because NAREDCO MAHI is a think tank of a lot of women entrepreneurs. And they are architects, there are interior designers, there are also building material suppliers. So to get a stage and platform like that to showcase their wonderful products is a very big deal for them. We need more and more women to join the real estate industry. So this Bharat BuildCon provides them that platform and stage. NAREDCO MAHI, as a founder for the last 5 years, I have been working towards gender integration along with my team. NAREDCO MAHI has done everything that it could to make women feel very comfortable in joining the sector. And those women who are already in the sector across levels to help them to achieve their highest potential. There are many initiatives on which we are working together. So Bharat BuildCon is a platform which is hugely advertised and it is visited by people globally. And whoever gets an opportunity to showcase their building material products there, they end up with a lot of business also. This platform and this stage, the credibility and also the marketing activity, the effort required gets minimized. So urban development and infrastructure go hand in hand. So whenever infrastructure is good, urban development automatically follows. So all the top developers of the country are here today. Bharat BuildCon stands for people in the construction industry, the building material industry. And so much of personal involvement from the Honorable Minister Sahab Piyush Goyal ji, from Honorable Minister Sahab Khattar ji, and of course under the able leadership of our Honorable Prime Minister Modi ji. So it is something which we are so proud of that all the women have seen last year how successful it was and how fantastic it was. I don't think anywhere else in the world a fair of this scale happens. Building material तो बहुत ज़रूरी है क्योंकि people, planet and purpose, all three things are very important in our industry. And whom are we creating all this for? For the next generation. तो आप क्या create कर रहे हैं वो बहुत ज़रूरी हो जाता है. So your materials should be such कि low maintenance हो, wastage minimal हो, जितना भी आप reuse और recycle कर सकते हैं वो एक सच में determination होनी चाहिए to utilize that. As far as Bharat BuildCon is concerned, it's an annual platform where all the architects, all the construction engineers, civil engineers, all the aspiring realtors, they all get an opportunity to be a part of it, to learn, to see, to plan so many things. जो भी चीज़ हम create करते हैं, ultimately it ends up in real estate only. And it also starts with real estate, whether it's houses, whether it is offices, commercial buildings, data centers, senior living, farmhouses. Each and every item that is being sold in the market ends up in real estate and is being done for real estate. So you can well imagine कि कितने gaps हैं industry में जो कि fill किए जा सकते हैं. And वो ideas, opportunities, startups को भी तभी आएंगी when they will see everything that is being showcased. Bharat BuildCon gets the best exhibitors and quality suppliers from all over India to showcase their products to the world. Without a doubt. There's a screening process. It's very systematic, very professionally managed by the greatest brains in the industry. And the whole idea of one nation and one platform is very convenient for everybody because इस scale का platform और कोई दूसरा है नहीं. इंडिया में तो है ही नहीं, पर बाकी आई डोंट थिंक वर्ल्ड में भी कहीं इस स्केल का प्लेटफॉर्म है. नमस्कार, I'm Dr. Ananta Singh Raghuvanshi. I cannot wait to welcome you at the Bharat BuildCon in June 2026. Please don't miss this beautiful event. There's hardly anything in the country which is at this scale and size. So please be there, and Naredko Mahi will be there too, showcasing whatever we have been working on for all these years.